Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Is it wrong to wish Happy Christmas, Merry Christmas to our Christian neighbors, friends? There are people who claim that if you will do it, it would be as if you are acknowledging that Jesus Christ was the Son of God. The fact of the matter is that when we wish our neighbors, our friends, our colleagues who belong to the Christian community Happy Christmas, we are just congratulating them on their occasion of festivity. We are giving them our good wishes, like they do to us when they wish us well in Eid or other such occasions. When a Christian wishes a Muslim Happy Eid Mubarak, he or she thereby does not become a Muslim. Likewise, when we wish others well, we do not become Christians or ascribe to their views and beliefs. However, what we do certainly do is that we become good neighbors, good friends. We have a good communication with them. They feel comfortable with us and we feel comfortable with them. Most certainly we have disagreements with others and we do not share some of their views. And indeed, it's likewise in their case as well. But that doesn't really mean that we should stop communicating with each other, stop sharing good wishes on occasions which are important for others. There are occasions and opportunities which we can avail to communicate our point of view, to present our religious understanding to others in a polite, intelligent manner. And for that purpose, we need to have good, cordial relationships with others. Making statements like wishing others well on their occasions of festivities in no way implies that we are acknowledging that each and everything that you believe in or you stand for is correct. It's just a way of expressing ourselves. The Almighty wants us to be good to our neighbors. He wants us to be good to fellow human beings. And therefore, He wants us to be decent members of our society. To claim that wishing Happy Christmas is like claiming that God has a son is actually describing the expression of wishing in a manner which is out of proportions. It's an exaggeration. It makes no sense. Happy Christmas or Merry Christmas in no way means that we are saying that Jesus was the Son of God. It's simply an expression wherein we are wishing somebody else to have a good day and a good time in his or her occasion of festivities.